Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase contrast on iPhone. So if you want to increase your iPhone contrast, but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to increase contrast on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, click on display and text size. Now, once you select display and text size, scroll through the display and text size page and locate increase contrast. Increase color contrast between app for background, foreground, and then background colors. So go ahead and turn this on. Now, you should see your phone app contrast increased. So this is going to increase the color contrast between app foreground and the background color. So let's disable this. So take a closer look at the app background and the foreground, then go ahead and turn on increase contrast. So you should spot the difference between when increase contrast is turned on and when increase contrast is turned off. So that's exactly how to increase contrast on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.